Error code 505 in Pokemon Home generally indicate gateway timeout issue. The error occur when the server acting as a gateway or a proxy did not receive a timely response from the upstream server or some other auxiliary server. It often a temporary problem related to the server maintenance or connectivity issue. Here are some steps you can take to address the Pokemon Home error 504. First, check the status. Verify if any ongoing server issue or maintenance. You can check the official websites of Pokemon Home for regarding announcement and server status. Second, retry after some time. The error might be temporary and retrying the action after a little while may resolve the issue. Third, internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. If possible, try to using different network or restart your router. Fourth, update Pokemon Home. Make sure that you are using latest version of Pokemon Home app. Check for update on your app store. Fifth, clear cache and data. If you are using Pokemon Home on mobile device, consider clearing app cache or data. Sixth, restart the app or device. Close the Pokemon Home app and reopen it. Alternately, try to restart your device. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it might be a server side problem and you may need to wait until the server related issue are addressed by the Pokemon team. Like, share, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any query, comment down below, and you can also visit our websites for more queries.